This is how to replace a screen for a Dell Latitude 5480. First, you'll take a plastic prying tool and remove the bezel. Then take number 0 Phillips to remove the screws on each corner. Then lift the screen and disconnect any wires attached to it. So basically you lift the tape up on the connector and then you pull it out. It's going to be harder to do than that, but you just wiggle it from side to side to pull it out. Then you take your new screen and plug the cable in. By pinching together one side, like the left side, and then the right side with your fingernails. And then you replace the blue protector. So that's on top of where it connects, and replace the tape. Put the screen back up. Screw it back in. Remove the protective film. And replace the bezel. And there's your screen replacement.